Easy Patch number 1 FS. Fast set underwater or above water white plaster repair. Easy Patch 1 FS is also the best to use for fast repairs in cold weather or when painting or coating plaster. Available in 1 pound, 3 pound, 10 pound, and 50 pound sizes. Put dry material needed into a bucket. Add water to Easy Patch number 1 Fast Set and mix thoroughly to the consistency of stiff mashed potatoes. Check material stiffness about every 30 seconds. Warm water will cause the material to set quicker, and cold water will cause it to set slower. The material will usually start to stiffen in approximately 3 to 5 minutes. When you detect that the material is starting to stiffen, immediately place in a plastic baggie or in your hand and apply to the area to be repaired. On larger areas, you will usually mix and apply more than one application. Firmly apply Easy Patch number 1 Fast Set to the area to be repaired. Mainly trowel upwards. If you trowel down, you need to secure the material initially. Now trowel back and forth. Sideways is fine too. Get the patch level. Continue troweling until levelness is achieved. You can also scrape off just a little if it's bumped up too high, and then re-trowel over it some more. Sponge off the excess around the edges, and if you need to, you can take some excess off with the sponge. Make your movement slow so as not to disturb the water too much. Continue troweling and sponging. So make sure and get those edges filled in.